Hello friends, do you know how Chinese say hello, hi, how they say good morning, good evening or good night? What does nihao mean? What is xie? Do Chinese ever say goodbye or how they convince to see you again? Let us know this all in this very video. Hopefully you have been aware of initials, finals and tones from the previous videos, how and where to use them. All these three elements are necessary to understand any Chinese word. And to read or write a Chinese word, one needs to recognize its characters. In this very video, we shall learn how to read or write characters and how to speak and understand them as well. Friends, almost 800 to 1000 words are enough to understand Chinese conversation. Out of these, we shall understand around 32 words in this very lesson. We shall not only recognize these but also practice writing them. Radicals are combined to form a character. Mostly these radicals explain the meaning of that word, but this is not always true. They are used to recognize how the character is formed. Friends, most characters in Chinese are formed by two or more radicals. It is beneficent because number of characters that need to be memorized drop sharply. Just join the radicals and you have a new character. Our topic today is greetings, essential phrases spoken in daily conversation. Friends, hello is spoken as nihao in Chinese. In the character of ni or you, radicals of ren mean man and xiao mean small are used. As I am a small person with respect to you, it has some respect element in its character. In the same ways, how or good has nu mean woman and zi means child radicals, that is as good as a protected woman or a child. In Chinese, ni and nin are two separate words, both meaning you, whereas nin is used in place of ni when we want to address someone with respect, and to write nin, hard character or sin is added with ni character. As you can see, mouth radical or kou is added before hai to address someone. When kou radical is present in the start of a character, then we are only concerned with its sound. Meaning of other radicals is not important then. Like if kou radical were not present before hai, it would have meant sea or ocean. Kou has omitted its original meaning and restrained only its sound, hai. If we add ma after ni hao, it would become interrogative. How are you? Interestingly, ma character also starts with kou radical, which has omitted its original meaning horse and restrained only sound of ma. Whenever ma is added at the end of a sentence, it would become interrogative. Or if you are to ask about something, just add ma at the end of the sentence and it would become a question. Now if someone asks you ni hao ma, then you would reply han hao, that is very good, I'm very good, xie, thank you. These characters are gonna be used very frequently in Chinese language, so you need to practice writing them over and over again. Here is a tip while writing Chinese characters. You need to write them from left to right and top to bottom. This is the conventional and easy way to memorize characters. Good morning is said as Zao Sheng Hao in China. Zao means early morning. Its character also looks as if someone is yawning as early as the sun rises. It has two radicals, sun or ru and ten or sh. These radicals would help you remember this character. Shang means above and hao means good. We have seen them earlier. Zao Shang means rising early in the morning. Zao Shang Hao means be good to rise early or simply good morning. Xia is opposite to Shang. It means down. Wu is used for noon. Xia Wu means afternoon. Hence, Xia Wu Hao means good afternoon. Please practice writing these characters very well. Wan is used both for evening and night. Interesting to note that it also has sun or r radical in its character. But in contrast to Zao, here it is behind the character instead of above it. Wan shang hao means good evening. The more you write these characters by hand, the more are you likely to remember these characters. Wanan is used for safe night or good night. An means safe or peace. If you look at its character, you would notice it also has women radical nu as how character has it. It means to Chinese people, women are a symbol of goodness and peace as well. Han means very much. We have seen it in Han Hao, that is very good. Cow means high. Its character seems as if someone is sitting above a big table. Xing means happy. Cow Xing means very happy. Qian is used for meet. Its character seems as if two persons are meeting under a roof. Tao means to reach. Qian Tao means be able to meet. And Ni means you. As a whole, it means nice to meet you or nice to see you. Han Kao Xing Qian Tao Ni, or people also say Han Kao Xing Ren Shi Ni, very nice to recognize you. Similarly, Chinese people say see you again instead of goodbye. Zai means again and Qian is to meet, as in Qian Tao. Zai Qian, see you again or goodbye. See you later is also used in China. They would say Hui Tou Qian. Hui means return or again, and to write it, one square is drawn inside another. Tou is used for face or head. Hui Tou Qian literally means see you on return or simply see you later. Ming Tian is used for tomorrow. Ming means next or clear. Its character has radicals of both sun and moon. Friends, special thing about sun and moon is that they are clearly seen and they come next to each other, hence the name Ming. Tian is used for sky, day and heaven as well. Ming Tian means next day or tomorrow. So Ming Tian Qian would mean see you tomorrow. In contrast to Ming or next, we use Qin for contemporary or current affairs. So Qin Tian means today and Qin Wan means tonight. Wan as in Wanan or Wan Shang Hao. So Qin Wan Qin means see you tonight. I or me is said as wo in Chinese. It seems difficult to write initially, but if you follow the sequence of writing, it would be very easy. Xian is used for just now in the earlier time. Zhou is used to walk or go. If these characters are new to you, then please be patient because these are just related to practice. La is used as a helping verb in Chinese to make a perfect tense. When something has already happened, then la is used to express that, like 我现走了, I've got to go, or I have decided to go. Xia is same as in 下午好 or good afternoon. It is opposite to shang. Xia means down or next, whereas shang means up or previous. Ci is used for term or time, as in 下次 for next time and 上次 for last time. Zai is same as in 再见 or goodbye. It means again. Liao means conversation, where ear has a basic role. So ear radical R is used in its character. Moreover, Mao character is an earthly branch, whereas 12 earthly branches and 10 heavenly stems have been in use for thousands of years in Chinese time calculation concept to count years, months, days, and even hours. Pa is used at the end of a sentence for a request or a suggestion. It has a positive impact on conversation environment. 下次再聊吧. Let's talk again another time. 我 means I, as in 我先走了 or I've got to go. To make a plural out of it, just add man and there you go. As in 我们 is for we, 你们 for you all, and 他们 for they. Zai means again. Lian luo is used for contact. It has radicals of both ear and mouth. Very easy to relate, no? Pa again is used for request or a suggestion. It means will of others is also considered. 我们再联络吧 means let's contact again.